Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and in this video I'm going to share you how you can convert your internal hard drive to an external hard drive. And now you can use your internal hard drive as a backup, as a portable hard drive or something like that. Now in this video I'm going to show you that it's a very simple process, and this video is going to be very small. So the first step is you need to buy this external case. Now it comes with a pretty good metallic case and a USB cable to attach it with your computer, laptop or something like that. So this is a pretty basic setup. There's nothing much in this, and you can buy this external case according to your hard drive size. I'm gonna use a 2.5-inch laptop drive, small drive basically. So I have bought a 2.5-inch SATA drive enclosure, and if you are going to use any bigger drive, buy a bigger enclosure. So all the links are given in the description below. To buy anything, just go through the description and you will find links of everything. Okay, so now let me show you how to set up this drive into the enclosure and make it a complete external hard drive. Okay, so the setup procedure is very simple. You have two screws on the both sides, and if you pull it, the connector comes out like this, and now you can just attach it with the connector of the drive like this. You need to just push it and it will connect, and now just place the hard drive into the enclosure and you're good to go. Now plug the USB here and plug this USB to your computer, and here you have a small indicator that the drive is working or not. Now let me tell you about the enclosure. This is a 2.5-inch SATA enclosure with USB 2.0. You have the USB plug point and a notification LED on the top. It's a pure metal build, so it's gonna be very protective to your hard drive, and the slide mechanism is pretty good. And I've been using it for a long time and it's working as it should be. So it's a pretty good enclosure, and if you want to use your internal hard drive as an external hard drive, this is a pretty good setup. Like really, it's very small, it's usable, and it's rugged as well, as it's totally metal built. So yeah, you can buy it and use it as an external hard drive. It's recommended. And again, I have put all the links in the description, so if you want to buy this or something like this, just go through the description and buy according to your preferences. And let me know if you have any questions, suggestion or anything like that in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Until then, tada.